Go to Select, Subject. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the subject in a new layer. Select the horizontal type tool and type your text. Place the text layer below the layer with the subject. Press Ctrl+T. You can now move and resize the text. Add a layer mask to the text layer. Make sure the mask is selected. And select the gradient tool. Use the default foreground and background colors, white and black. Select the foreground to background gradient. Use the linear gradient. Drag from the top of your text down to create the faded text. You can move the midpoint and the color stops to adjust the fade effect. And that's how you create this faded text effect. Check the link in the description for more Photoshop text effects.